Yo, what's up guys? So in today's video, we're going to be making forests inside of monkey blocks. And if this gets like over 100 views, I'll be happy. And if this gets under, I'm going to be so mad because this is going to take a long time, I know. But I've already made forests, but I'm just going to recreate it. And I hope that this does good. And let's get straight into this. So we have our, it's all clear. We can build wherever we want in this area. So we have to go get our first blocks. I swear to God, bro, if this takes 2 hours again, I'm going to crash out like. So I was thinking before this video how am I meant to make like slippery walls, and I remembered what I did when I first made forests, and I needed slippery walls so nobody could get out the map, and it all got destroyed by some kids. Okay, let's go check out my wall that I built, because I had 26 minutes of recording when I first made it, and then all of a sudden these kids came and destroyed it, and yeah, so oh my gosh, I can't get up. Oh dang it, it hit something. I don't know what that was. It was a small room. Okay, yeah, you're not getting over that. I already see. The hard part about this challenge is going to be making the tutorial. I don't know how to say it, but the tutorial spot, because I don't really know how I'm going to make that, but I think I have one idea and hopefully it works. So I think I just do that and then grab some more of these and go like this real quick. I think I can make the tutorial like right there. So I'm just going to cut to when I'm done with the tutorial because I don't really know how I'm going to make it and how long it's going to take of just straight recording. So I'm going to get back to you when it's all done. Okay guys, I am done with the tutorial and I'm going to show you how it is, and we are already small and stuff, and I didn't really know how to do the ninja thingamajiggy, the double walls. So there's that thing, and yeah, it's pretty small, and then you're gonna pinch come out the map, and then yeah, and I'm gonna have to add like double walls right here, and hopefully you can't just jump here and stuff. Okay, so I'm making the walls now. It's good. So that works. I will be showing you guys the code for the share my blocks in the video at the end, so you can go check out the map, since I know some people might want to check it out and stuff. Oh yeah, and we hit 850 subscribers today. So I got home from school and I checked it out, and I'm at 851 subscribers, and yeah. School, you probably like school. You still have school? Yes, I do have school. It ends tomorrow. Well, tomorrow when I'm recording. Hold on. I forgot that. It's gonna happen. So do that instead. And let's just time lapse this. Okay, so the walls in here are finally finished, and we can move on to the rest of the walls. Well, hold on. We have to do that real quick. Perfect. Because I'm not just leaving that blank. I'm gonna right now tell you to like and subscribe. Yeah, do both of them because it's like, who wouldn't? It's like I'm literally one of the top 5 YouTubers. Like, yeah. Yeah. I'm literally top 5 YouTubers. Dude, bro, this is like giving me vibes of my old. How do you go upside down? It's giving me vibes of my old one. Well, I'm gonna finish the rest of these walls and time lapse. So let's go. Let's go. It's a square. Now we have to do the part with like the ice and stuff. Bro, at this point I'm gonna have to, dude, by the time this video is done, well, it's gonna take like another 50 years just to get all the videos downloaded to my phone, then like another 50 years to edit. Hit a time lapse again. Yes, finally I'm all done. Now you have to add the insides. Yeah. It's not working. I guess just transition. I guess. Okay, so we are done. Here is the stump, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's my stump. So you're gonna walk up here, then you're gonna turn around, come in here. So you have your beloved stump. Here's the computer. Well, computer. Then you have where your cosmetics are, and I think I did a good job. Yeah, I'm gonna add the branches that it normally has, but yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick, bro. Okay, there we go, bro. When I'm done with this challenge, I'm gonna question my existence and what I'm doing. Bro, why is this so? Well, I think we should just move on to a gazebo and treehouse. Let's go. Okay, I don't really think I need to time lapse that. Oh God, bro. Okay, we finished this. we didn't finish. No, let me go. Okay. We have to make a leaderboard real quick. Since we all faced being reported at one point. I've only been banned twice. One was being banned by Gus. Two, because I thought it'd be a great idea to camp in tutorial, and I got banned. Oh my goodness. Okay, now all we have to do is make the bridge and stuff, and like well, I'm just gonna fast forward through the bridges and trees, and yeah. Actually, no. I'm just gonna cut to when I'm done. Then I'm just gonna do the bridges. I'm recording. Okay, I'm finished with the trees right now. I just know something I should build. I'm gonna build a siren. Siren. I build a siren real quick. This is literally the best siren in Eternity. And yeah, it works. Let's build the bridges. I'm gonna do this in time lapse, but I'm gonna add the first one in a not time lapse. I don't know. I feel like this is gonna take a couple years. To pull off. That works. Okay, I'm just gonna time lapse the rest of this. I'm not trying to have a 50-minute video. Yeah. Okay, I finished the bridge and stuff, and let's go test it out. Oh my goodness, I fell again. Failed again. I don't care. Well, we're just going to do that. It didn't work that time. Okay, so I know this doesn't look like the real one, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I had to make it work. Bridge, platform and stuff. I'm gonna add one more platform over here real quick. But I'm gonna do that while I'm recording. Bam. And then we can add, give me that. Then we can add, hold on, wait for it. A tree. Perfect. Okay. This is starting to resemble the forest map. Now we have to add minor details, and I'll do that off recording. Yo, hold on, I need to go to the bathroom. And I'm done. So this took me an hour and 11 minutes to make. And we're gonna see it in game, but hold on. We're gonna get in by tutorial. Let's go! Ouch. So, oh, look at this works. I'll fix that when like the video's done, but here we go. We hop in. We have the massive siren, massive like low taper grenade. Then we can come up here. Then we have our Yeah. So then we have all of this and stuff, and you can branch and stuff, so like you can escape from the lava monkeys and stuff. And I can say I'm the best player at this map now, and yeah. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I put a lot of time and effort into this video because it's going to take like, I don't know, an hour to edit, and hopefully this video doesn't flop, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. I need to show you the game ID. Right there, HFTFP52X. That is the code. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one, and peace. Bye-bye, guys.